All craft advisory for boaters. Seas 4 to 6, up to 7 and 8 offshore in the Gulf Stream and choppy. Watch out for rip currents. It is going to be kind of nasty along the beaches the next at least 2 days. 86 tomorrow, some sunshine, but also gusty winds and a quick shower or two. Saturday and Sunday don't look too bad. There will still be some showers and pretty breezy. And then our front arrives Wednesday. It's a chance, especially Thursday, we'll get down into the 50s and 60s, a chance to dig out those clothes that have been sitting in the back of the closet for many months.
Yeah, we can't wait,
That's right.
Steve.